Alright, so what's up everybody, welcome back to the TechCider channel. Today we are back again at PC Planning. This is part 14 and today we're going to go over the forgotten budget of $750. So let's jump straight in, shall we? Alright, so for the CPU we're going to be sticking with the Ryzen 5 4500 because it can handle up to the 6800 non-XT and we are not going to be able to afford the 6800 in this budget, so yeah, it should be good. Alright, so for the motherboard we're going to go with the ASRock B550M Pro 4 because the Phantom Gaming 4 went up in price and so this is the new best value. The RAM didn't change much, it stayed the new Forza FAYE 16 gigs 3600 MHz because it is still the cheapest. For $44 it is just amazing. Alright, so for the storage we're going to go with the MSI SPATIUM M450 because it is $70 for 1 tera, which is just so cheap and it is PCIe 4.0, so I really don't see a reason not to buy it. For the case we are sticking with the Cyberpunk 3D because $51.3, you're not gonna get much better than that. Alright, power supply we're going to go with the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 600 watts for $39. This is an 80 plus gold efficiency and it is the cheapest power supply that is reliable. As for the graphics card, we're going to go with the ASRock Radeon RX 6700 XT at CLD 12 gigs, $340. That's so cheap. Like, what? It's so goddamn cheap. Why not? The only question is why not to buy it. The 6700 XT is a beast at gaming and it can handle games at 4K and above. So, you know, you don't really need much more than that. Alright, and the total comes to $720, which is $30 less than our budget. So with those $30 you can probably add a keyboard, a mouse, anything you like you just have $30 extra. That's really good. Now moving on to performance metrics. Alright, so for the Forza Motorsport 7 we can expect 76.8 FPS at ultra settings 4K. This is my go-to benchmark because it is kind of the average demand from games today. So that's the average FPS you should get with this GPU. Moving on to the next benchmark. And from the slightly less demanding games you can expect 222.1 FPS. This is for Portal 2 4K ultra settings. So now moving on to the last benchmark. And as for the most demanding game on the market right now, you can expect 86.2 FPS at 1440p high settings from the HITMAN 3 game, and it is even more demanding than Cyberpunk. Do you understand how demanding this game is, and it can run it at 1440p. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, because I really did. So I will see you in the next video, and for now please like and subscribe because it helps the channel out. Goodbye.